Oh, this is what is behind the scenes of Indy Style Friends. Randy had to jump up a couple times up and down. He's now
There we go.
I think I'm too big for your bag.
Well, you are kind of large, but you're not as large as the atmosphere.
That's right.
So
All right, Rick Crosslin, what are we doing today, man?
We're talking about air, the atmosphere, this beautiful thing that surrounds our planet. And there is so much air between the surface of the Earth to the exosphere, our outer space, that is about 14.69 pounds of air per square inch. Yeah, this is pushing down on you.
Yes, it is.
And pushing up on you. And so this is quite a lot of air pressure, but you don't feel it. But you being a meteorologist, you probably know all about air pressure.
Oh, yeah.
And so what we're going to try to do here is...
Can I stand up again? Or?
You can try standing up. There you go.
Okay, I see.
You're kind of tall, but we're not going to take your head out. So that...
Are you going to cover me up there then?
No, we're going to keep it around your neck. Here we go.
Okay, that's good.
I think it's good. Put it around your neck, Randy, so we can see your face.
Okay.
There we go. Tighten it up in here like this. And if we take all the air out...
Am I getting a haircut here or something?
Go ahead and put this down inside and grab this.
Okay.
Hey, I've done this once or twice.
Really? Thanks, Rick.
All right, so if we take all the air, can you still wiggle your feet?
Yeah, I can still wiggle my feet. You want to go all the way down to the bottom?
No, just hold it by your chest. Okay.
Well, it's all the way down to my cap.
Well, pull this up by your chest.
My chest?
Yeah, and hold it. Let's pull the air out of there and see how you can move if you're like in outer space.
What if it sucks my tie into it?
It might. There we go.
Okay.
Now, as you can see, are we clogged up? Is it freeze? Is it pulling the air out? Find the very end of it.
Yeah, I think it is, Rick. I think so.
We got to get a good seal on this thing. Where's the bottom of it? There.
Yeah, that's the bottom right there.
Okay, pull that away from it. Put your fingers over the front of it. There you go. There we go. Now, as you can see, that 14 pounds of air is now taken away. It's pushing down on you. Can you move your legs a little bit? Can you open your legs?
Oh, I can't.
Maybe you should keep your legs closed. Let's try an arm. So this is what it's like if all the atmosphere... You're getting a little pale here. All right?
I can't imagine why, Rick.
This is what it's like if we took all the air out and it started pushing down on you quite a bit of 14.69 pounds per square inch. So
that was tight.
It was kind of tight.
You say you do it with the school children that pushes them against the wall.
I've done it up against the wall, and they can just kind of hang on the wall.
I bet they love
They
that.
line up to do that. So air pressure is kind of neat. So there's a newspaper right there, Amber. If you want to grab that newspaper.
Good luck, Amber.
And so
okay, got it.
yeah, and so in that yardstick right there.
Okay.
And so we'll try this one right here. So all that air pressure pushing down, you'll probably be able to break this, even if only paper's holding it down. So if I put this on here like this.
All right.
And so you would think that, this is not a problem, but all that air is pushing down on here right now, okay? So if you take this hammer and walk around, do you want to do it?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, go ahead, Amber. Go
What do you
ahead.
have me do,
I
Rick?
want you to hit this as hard as you can.
Oh, gosh.
And
Okay. Just with this in?
Yeah, it's a lot harder to hit it with that. So, and hit it right about there. Now, here's what we hope will happen. The air pressure is pushing down on this.
Do you want me to hit it like this or like
really
this?
hard, really hard.
Just like this?
And it might go flying that way, but that's okay.
I'm supposed to break it?
Yes, because the air is holding us down, but you'd think that the paper would just rip. Hit it as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3. Well, came close.
Did it wrong.
No, let's
I
try
didn't hit it hard enough?
You didn't hit it quite hard enough, but it.
Okay, we'll try it again.
Try it again.
I need Randy's muscles.
You want to borrow this bag here, Amber? Maybe that'll help you.
Just need Randy's
Here's
muscles.
the thing in science.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, you learn more when it doesn't work.
All right, just try it again right here at the 9.
Let's see, hold on, wait a second. Let's get right about here.
Pound that thing.
As hard as you can. Well, looks like air pressure is not as strong today than we hoped.
But we sucked it out over here. I think,
Maybe, do I need to hit it closer?
That's a lever.
Should I hit it closer?
Sure.
Like closer to the, am I hitting it too far this way? All right, we're gonna try one
Amber,
more
we only
time.
have half an hour left of the show.
Closer to that thing.
2, 3. I need to go lift
A
more
plus
weights.
for effort. A plus for effort.
Randy, you can't laugh. You can't laugh. I have an interview to do.
Oh, you do. Good luck.
Randy, 3 times I missed it. Randy, I need your
for you.
workout routine. That's what it is.